Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best olive oil dispensers that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're a home cook or just love having functional and stylish kitchen tools, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Yaramate 16-ounce, 470 milliliter glass olive oil sprayer for cooking. This sleek and modern dispenser delivers a dual-function design, allowing you to both spray and pour your oil, making it incredibly versatile for various cooking tasks like salad dressing, roasting, and grilling. With its BPA-free glass and durable construction, you can rest assured that safety and quality are a top priority here. The transparent glass lets you keep track of the oil level, while the wide mouth opening ensures easy refills without spills. In terms of performance, the spray nozzle provides precise oil control, dispensing approximately 0.2 grams of oil per spray. It's perfect for those watching their calorie intake or aiming for a healthier cooking style. The ergonomic handle and front-facing nozzle make it comfortable to use without getting your hands messy, which is always a plus. However, the sprayer can produce inconsistent results if not cleaned regularly, requiring a bit of maintenance. This dispenser is ideal for those who want a multifunctional option that balances style and practicality. While it's not the most premium option on our list, it's a solid choice for everyday use. Pros: dual dispensing modes, BPA-free materials, and precise oil control. Cons: requires frequent cleaning to maintain spray performance. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly sprayer, the Yaramate is a great pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Trend Plain 16 ounces / 470 milliliter glass olive oil sprayer. This dispenser offers a 2-in-1 design, allowing you to switch between a fine mist spray and a steady pour. It's incredibly versatile, making it perfect for everything from drizzling oil on salads to controlling oil usage for air fryer recipes. The precision spray nozzle ensures even distribution, while the BPA-free glass construction guarantees safety and durability. One of the standout features is its ability to dispense just 0.15 grams of oil per spray, giving you excellent control over your portions and helping you reduce waste. The design is compact and stylish, with a black flip-top lid that adds a modern touch to your kitchen. However, the lid is not dishwasher safe, so you'll need to hand wash it to maintain durability. Additionally, the spray mechanism might clog if not cleaned regularly. Overall, the Trend Plain sprayer is a fantastic choice for health-conscious individuals or those who need a multifunctional dispenser for their cooking arsenal. Pros: dual dispensing modes, BPA-free materials, and sleek design. Cons: requires careful cleaning to avoid clogs. If you're after a versatile, easy-to-use dispenser, Trend Plain has you covered. Taking the third spot is the Leafly Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle Set. This 2-piece set is perfect for those who love having options in the kitchen. Each bottle holds 17 ounces and features a transparent glass design, so you can easily see what's inside. The set also includes 2 stainless steel pourers, a funnel, 4 labels for customization, and even a cleaning brush. Talk about value. The rectangular shape is space-saving and adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen or dining table. The Leafly bottles offer an anti-drip design with spout caps that prevent leaks and keep contents fresh. The pouring mechanism is smooth and precise, making it easy to control the flow of oil or vinegar. This set is highly versatile, as you can use it for a variety of liquids like olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, or even chili oil. However, the glass is not as thick as some other options, so you'll need to handle it with care to avoid breakage. For those who want a complete set with all the bells and whistles, the Leafly dispenser is a fantastic choice. Pros: comes with multiple accessories, anti-drip design, and versatile use. Cons: thinner glass construction. If you're looking for a stylish and functional set, this one's a winner. At number 2, we have the Sweejar Ceramic Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. This is the most aesthetically pleasing option on our list, thanks to its exquisite relief design featuring olive leaf patterns. Made from durable, high-temperature ceramic, this bottle is not only attractive but also functional. The opaque design protects your olive oil from light, extending its shelf life, while the 17-ounce capacity is perfect for home use. This dispenser features a leak-proof spout that pours smoothly without sticking, giving you complete control over your oil usage. It's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, and the ceramic material ensures long-lasting durability. However, it's slightly heavier than glass options, which might not be ideal for everyone. Additionally, the ceramic body limits your ability to see how much oil is left inside. The Vinegar dispenser is a fantastic pick for those who value design and functionality in equal measure. Pros: stunning design, opaque body for oil preservation, and dishwasher safe. Cons: slightly heavy and non-transparent. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen style while keeping your oil fresh, this is the one to beat. The Vinegar dispenser is a fantastic pick for those who value design and functionality. Pros: and finally, taking the top spot is the AOZita 17-ounce glass olive oil bottle dispenser. This product combines functionality, durability, and style, making it the best overall option on our list. The green glass body not only looks elegant, but also protects your olive oil from harmful sunlight, prolonging its freshness. With a 17-ounce capacity, it's perfect for home cooking and entertaining. What sets this dispenser apart is its non-drip design, featuring 18/8 stainless steel pour spouts with sealed caps. These spouts ensure a smooth, mess-free pour every time, while keeping dust out. The included funnel makes refilling a breeze, and the airtight screw cap ensures long-term storage without leaks or oxidation. It's also dishwasher safe, adding extra convenience to your routine. While it's slightly taller than some other options, its slim, cylindrical design ensures it doesn't take up much counter space. The AOZita dispenser is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish solution for their kitchen. Pros: excellent build quality, non-drip design, and protective green glass. Cons: taller design may not fit smaller cabinets. If you want the best of the best, the AOZita dispenser is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which olive oil dispenser caught your eye, or if you have any questions about these products. I'll be happy to help you out. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.